In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Bitbucket Cloud workspace with Jira, creating a seamless integration that will streamline your project management and development processes. This can be a real game changer for any team looking to enhance collaboration and efficiency. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira account. If you're not familiar with Jira, it's a powerful project management tool commonly used by software development teams. Once you're logged into Jira, have a quick glance at the home screen. Familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. It can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, it becomes second nature with regular use. Now from the main dashboard, you'll need to go to the settings. You can usually find this at the bottom of the sidebar, represented by a small cog icon. Clicking it will open a menu with various options related to your Jira account. Here, find and select the Products section. This section houses all your integrations and third-party applications connected to Jira. It's essentially your gateway to connecting Jira with other tools you might use, such as Bitbucket or GitHub. Once you're in the Products section, look for a subcategory labeled Integrations. Within Integrations, there's an option for DVCS accounts. DVCS, or Distributed Version Control System, accounts allow you to connect distributed source control services like Bitbucket. Click on DVCS accounts. This is where the magic happens. Now at this stage, you should see an option to link a Bitbucket Cloud workspace. If you use Bitbucket as your code repository, linking it to Jira can significantly enhance your workflow as it allows for direct integration between your development tasks and your project management environment. Go ahead and click Link Bitbucket Cloud Workspace. After clicking the link option, you'll be prompted to log into your Bitbucket account if you're not already logged in. Be sure to have your credentials ready. Once logged in, Jira will request authorization to access your Bitbucket repositories. This is a crucial step in ensuring secure access to your data, so make sure to review the permissions carefully before proceeding. If everything checks out, grant the necessary permissions. Once the authorization is successful, you should receive a confirmation message in Jira indicating that your Bitbucket Cloud workspace is now linked. This linkage will allow you to create branches and pull requests directly from your Jira tickets, automatically update ticket statuses with Bitbucket commits, and generally keep everything synchronized between your development and project management environments. And that's it. Congratulations. You have successfully linked your Bitbucket Cloud workspace with Jira. This integration should greatly improve your team's workflow by keeping project management and code management tightly in sync. Remember, regular use will make you more familiar with these tools, so keep exploring and experimenting to find the best setup for your team's needs. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.